Were you missing some interesting tips that will save you a lot of time? We've got good news. A new batch of useful tricks is already on our channel. For example, this is an easy way to make yourself a little taller. And this is a little secret for getting a better grip on your screwdriver bit. A piece of bicycle chain will do to secure a pipe firmly. You don't have a sander handy? No problem, you can easily make one yourself. It's suitable not only for working with wood, but also for sharpening knives. You have to be extremely careful with the wires. This is not the way to do it. We advise you to fix the tip first, using a rivet. It's very easy to do it. Construction materials are always difficult to transport. This trick will help you not to scratch the car. It may take ages to wait for the windows to open in the car. We need to do something about it urgently. We suggest using penetrating oil. Check it out, that's another thing. Making a perfect joint can be tricky, but we know how to pull it off. Use this smart hack. You probably know that metal expands when it's heated, which is good for us. Let's use it to fit plastic pieces. We put all the little things for storage in the boxes and screw them together with ease. The lid has expanded and now closes perfectly. At times, building pliers or cloth pegs turns out to be necessary at work. Let's put a little effort and make the tools ourselves. Unfortunately, a regular screwdriver can't always be used in hard-to-reach places. And believe me, there are quite a few of those. We found a way out of the situation and came up with a prolonger for drill bits. Let's see it in action. Wow, it really does work when you can reach it. We made it. We can check another box. Work is always dirty on a construction site, so you should always have paper towels handy. But it's not so easy to get them. We came up with the best way to pack the paper. An extra light source is always good, but where do you get it if you're in the countryside? A small lamp is not difficult to make with a plastic bottle and a flashlight or a phone. It's true, you will need some dexterity and something to attach it. Strip the wires, insert a plug into the hole in the bottle lid and fix it properly. You can attach the other part. Of course, that's not all. What's missing is the main thing, the light source. Done! We connect a power bank. Elbow joints are a very good thing. It's good to know that they can be used not only for their direct purpose, but also as a holder for gardening tools. And they're so convenient. By the way, gardening tools can be short-lived. Never mind, we'll find another use for it. First, let's get rid of everything unnecessary. Believe me, what you're about to see will surprise you a little, but you will definitely not see such an item of interior design anywhere. And it requires very little, a rake and a couple of pieces of wood. I hope the dog won't mind. Well, here are the finishing touches. It already looks very unusual. Doesn't it remind you of anything? That's right. It's horns! A trophy that would make any gardener happy.